Hello everyone, myself Ritu Kaushik from Civil Engineering Department in RPIIT campus Karnal. Welcome back to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academy. If you like the content in this video, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. Today is our topic beam. First one, we will discuss about the definition of beam. A beam is a structural member used for bearing load. As you know, it is the horizontal member. It is typically used for resisting vertical load, shear forces, and bending moment. Based on the type of support. First one, simply supported beam, cantilever beam, overhanging beam, continuous beam, and fixed beam. Simply supported beam. A simply supported beam is a type of beam that has pin support at one end and roller support at the other end. Depending on the load applied, it undergoes shearing and bending. It is the one of the simplest structure element in existence. There are the example of this beam. One end is pinned and second is the roller. This is known as the simply supported beam. Cantilever beam. A cantilever beam is fixed at one end and free at other, and it can be seen in the image below. This is the this is the one end which is fixed, and this is the other end which is free. This is known as the cantilever beam. Next, overhanging beam. A overhanging beam is a beam that has one or both end portion extended beyond its support. It may have any number of support. If viewed in a different perspective, it appears as if it has the features of simply supported beam and cantilever beam. Cantilever beam like this. If you show this is the half beam, then it is known as the simply supported beam. If you see this part, then you will see this is the cantilever beam. Then you can say it is the mixture of the simply supported beam and other than the cantilever beam. Okay, it is known as the overhanging beam. Next, continuous beam. A continuous beam has more than two supports distributed throughout its length. It can be understood well from the image below like this. First and second and third. ठीक है, दिस इज नोन एज द कंटिन्यूस बीम. जहाँ पर दो से ज़्यादा आपको स्पॉट मिलेंगे लाइक दिस इज फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड, दिस इज द कंटिन्यूस बीम. ओके, यानी इट हैज़ more than two spots distribution throughout its length. This is known as the continuous beam. Next, fixed beam. As the name suggests, fixed beam is a type of beam whose both ends are fixed. First one and this is the second. Both ends are fixed. This beam is known as the fixed beam. As you know, this is the length या फिर क्लियर स्पैन. ठीक है, दिस इज द फिक्स बीम. I hope you all understand this point. There are the 5 type of beam depend on the spot of beam.